Hey, hi everyone. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to deal you some basic to advanced SQL queries. So why I'm going with the SQL? So SQL and Talent is complete the package. Okay. So I grabbed some questions from the Google. These are the questions these are all the multiple questions. So for this, I already inserted one table. I'll show the table. So before going to that, something we'll come to know something like how to create a table and how to create the databases. Let's jump into the session. Like we'll use create database, like database name. For example, here we have project J. Okay. Sorry, I did mistake. Database. Okay. One row affected query. Okay. And one row affected. So now show databases. What? So these are my databases. Project J, project K. So now I'm going to use the third query, use project J. Database changed. So now we learned three queries. One is create database and database name, and third one is show databases. Second one is show databases, and third one is use project J. So now I want to create a table. Create table name I want to create is emp2. So what are the fields? Fields name is emp underscore id. It's a field name. Another one is data type, it's integer. Another one is the constraint, it's primary key. If you want to mention some length for the data type, here I mentioned 6 is the length, it's primary key. And the second one is emp underscore name, it's varchar 5. If you want to mention as a 10, varchar 10. And the third one is hire date. It should be hire date, it should be date. And third one, like salary, it should be integer. Int I mention is 5 or 8 or for 10 I'll mention. Okay, for example, I'll require these things only. Okay, now query. Okay, 0 rows affected, 2 warnings, just ignore the warnings. I just want to see whether the table is created or not. Okay, fine. If you want to use describe, use describe. Table name is emp2. Okay, empid created, type integer, null, no, keys primary, default null value, emp name, hire date, salary. Now if you want to use some other some other query, show columns, show columns emp2. This is the alternative way. Show columns, where is show, sorry, show columns from emp2. This is the alternative way. Okay, now I want to insert some data. Now Okay, now it's time to insert some data into our table. Okay, so show tables in our database emp2. Now insert into, what is the table name? emp2. What is our values? Sorry, what is this? Insert into emp underscore id, emp underscore name, comma, hire underscore date, comma, salary, values. Now values, what are the values? It should be 101, comma, always string should be in single quotes, Prakash, comma, high date should be is also single. The format should be 2019 hyphen 0921, comma, it should be, it's not, okay, 40,000. I think without errors it should run. Duplicate entry, sorry, it's already I entered, I think. Some data is there. Go with 102. Okay, control effect. So now select star from emp2. These are the data. Okay, now I'll use show databases. Show databases. I'll use project K. Use project K. No database. PRO. Sorry. Project K. Database changed. Show tables. Okay. Now select star from emp1. This is the data. So I already inserted some data like this is the data 101, 102, 103. But I don't want experience in this. So I'll try to drop this column. Alter table name is emp1, drop exp. Think dropped. Now I'll check select star from emp1. Okay, emp name, high date, salary, DOB, gender, city, and department name. So I'll change here for our basics. I'll change department names also, department number, because I want it should be department name, or else I'll add one more department name also. Later on I'll show you how to drop that one. This one also I'll drop. Alter table emp P1 add dpt underscore name. It's what is the data type? It should be var var varchar 10. Okay, added. Now select start from emp1. Okay, this one added. Now I'm dropping the department number. I don't want the department number. If you're using primary key and foreign key, then it will be useful because there is an other table existed in my database. So that is the reason I'm just dropping this department number. Drop dpt underscore name. Sorry. Dpt underscore number. So again, what happened? dpt underscore number. Start. Okay. Now I want to enter some data. What is the data? I don't want to enter the data. I want to set some data to this row. So alter table, or it's not alter. I think update table name emp1 set, because here it is a null value. It's not modify. It's set dept underscore name equal to, it's Prakash is tech. I'm just Prakash is tech, where uh, where 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 empl id equal to 101. I think this should be fine. Update emp1 set dpt name is equal to tech, where emp id is equal to 101. It's okay. It's changed. Tech. Now I want the same here for 102 is also the same, but it should be admin. It's done. And the dpt, this is also 103. It's fine. It's now let's move to the sales. It's 4. I want it should be the 5 also. Now it should be the tech again. Tech. It should be the 6. Now I want to check the data. It's done. Tech admin. Okay, fine. Now we are moving to the questions. One, write a query to display the employee details who is working in. This is our first question, not this is. Write a query to display the employee details along with the experience. What is that question? Write a query to display the employee details. Select star, comma, okay. Experience. Experience means time stamp diff. I'm using timestamp diff. Okay. What is my requirement? YY years, comma, hire hire date. What is my hire underscore date, comma, cur date. Cur date means current date. Okay. Okay, as as experience, as experience, as experienced from which table? EMP1. I think it should be the fine. It's timestamp diff current timestamp if timestamp. It's YY date as experience. Let me check current timestamp. I think timestamp diff only. Why it is showing? Sorry, I think not YY is not required here. I think it should be the year for my knowledge. Yes, that's fine. Okay. So what is the experience? Like because here is a 2024 high date, it's not possible. We'll modify this one. So randomly I entered this date. So experience is 6 years, 7 years, 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, and 1 year. So this is how. Okay. Our first question is answered. And what is write a query to display the employee details who is working in EC department and he's having more than 3 years of experience. Okay. So write a query to display the employee details. Employee details means we require select star. Okay, we'll use the same thing. Okay. Write a query to display the employee details who is working in EC department as experience. Experience from EMP1 where so we require one more condition where where so EC department. So we don't have any departments. We have here the department names are tech admin and so I'll use sales where DEPT underscore name equal to equal to tech and 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 I am using this one again. Copy this one again, paste is what what more than 3 years, greater than 3. So I'm executing this one. Unknown tech. Okay, fine. We'll use single quotations here. So let's see. Okay, this is the answer. So the customer, the employee who is having more than 3 years and he should be working tech. So the same here is the department is will change tech, display the employee details who is working in tech department and having more than 6 years. This one answered. And write a query to display the employee details along with the is. So the same query along with the is. So I'm just removing this thing. Okay, the same query, but here the hire date will remove hire date. We require DOB here, DOB, DOB, employee details, DOB. Okay, It's not an experience, it's a is. So we'll this into is. Okay, is. These are the 30. I mentioned the random dates, so that is the reason we are getting the same thing. Okay, now this one answered. Write a query to display the employee details whose age is 18. The same, but whose age is 18. Where timestamp diff year comma dob comma current date. So it's greater than 18. That's it. So time stamp somewhere I did time stamp diff time stamp diff. Okay, these are only. So as of now in my table all ages are greater than 18. So I'll take it as 29. Okay, okay. Here I have 30s because here I'm taking the 29. So we'll change this query to 29. Answered. This question is also answered. So write a query to display the minimum salary of employee. So write a query to display the minimum salary. It is not asking to display not all the employee details, only display minimum salary of an employee. So we'll take minimum salary of an employee. Select min. So what is the column name we have? SALARY minimum salary. Minimum salary from EMP1. This is the minimum salary. So we have another as min underscore salary. Will mention like this. Okay, min underscore salary. That's fine. We'll use another one emp underscore name also. Let's try. It's not, it is not possible. It should be a group by only. Okay, so while using these functions, so this mode should be only while we are using group by, then only we'll use. Okay, now in order to show that error, I wrote this query. So this one display minimum salary answered. I don't want to waste the time. Maximum salary. So use max salary. I don't want to use this one. It's here. It is a max salary is 90,000. So select always use select start from MP1 max salary. Here the max salary is 90,000. So minimum salary is 30,000. So this one is I'll mention as a S as done, or else I'll make it as a done. This one is also done. Write a query to display the total salaries of all the employees. I think the question is, we'll write from the scratch. Select, what is the question? Display total salary is sum of salary select sum of salary from EMP1. The total salary is that this one 3,15,000. Next the question, write a query to display the average salary. Average mention ABC as average underscore salary from EMP1. This is the average salary. Done. This is done. Write a query to count number of employees working in the company. Okay. Now we'll take is so not null. Which one? Employee ID is a not null. So we'll take EMPL underscore ID as number of employees, like we'll mention as ENOE from employee one. It's total how many employees? We have 6 employees. It's done. Write a query to display a minimum and maximum salary of the employee. So next question is the same question. It's minimum of salary as min comma max salary as max from EMP1. Let's see. It's one. Done. The minimum salary is 30,000 and max salary is 90,000. Now we'll move to another question. Write a query to count the number of employees working in ECA department. It's not ECA, we'll take it as a sales department. Count number of employees. Select count of EMPL underscore number as NOE number of employees from which one? From EMP1 where department name where DEPT underscore name equal to sales. I think it should run without errors. EMPL number. Sorry, it's not number. Select count of EMPL ID. Okay, how many employees are there for the department name sales? We have 2 employees are there, like Santosh and Shikha. So another query, it is also done. The write a query to display the second max salary of an employee. Second max salary of an employee. Okay, this is the typical. This is the some questions which are asked in our interviews. Select max salary. Select max salary from EMP1. This is highest salary. We want second max salary. Now again we'll put select max from select from EMP1 where salary less than or equal to select max max of salary, SAL, salary, select max salary from EMP1. We are just comparing the salary. Okay, EMP1. To use near. So here, I think we'll use one bracket here. Here also we'll use one bracket. You select select start from EMP. Okay. Where let's don't use this here. Use here. Okay. What is the second highest salary? We'll check. 90, 60, 50, 40, 45, 45. This is the flow. So I'll use one more select max salary. This is the way. This is the one way. So there is an alternative way also. So we'll use limit select max salary. I'll use one more way. Mm, select star. Select star from EMP1. EMP1. EMP1 ordered ordered by ordered by salary ordered by salary. So if you are not putting like, we just capture ordered by salary. Okay, here all the salaries are in ascending order. So now if you mention DESC here, it's in descending order. Okay, all the salaries are in descending order. Now we'll take like three limit 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 to limit to 2 and put 1 here. Mention comma here, ordered by salary and limit. So let's check 2 here. What happened? Let me check with this. Sorry, so we are getting error somewhere. Let's check. I think here is the error. Limit to. Okay. So we are getting the entire these things. Okay, it's sending order. Now we are getting what? Limit 2 comma 1. It's okay. Now we'll put DESC. DESC. Okay, this is the third highest salary. Okay. Now what is our requirement? What is our requirement? Second max salary. Write a query to display the second max salary of an employee. Uh, So 90, 60, 50. We are getting third max salary. Now let's limit to one. This one. Okay. This is the alternative way. Hmm, which one is 90, 60, 50? Now it's done. Second max salary done. So I already show the way. This is the third, this is the third way. Now we'll use this function. Select max. Max salary. We want emp underscore name. Let's see. It's not there. If you'll use in that way only we get. Now we'll use. We have a chance to. We suppose select max salary from the employee one wage salary greater than max salary from EMP. Now again we want third max salary. Copy this one. Copy. Where should run with the 50. This is the third highest salary. This is subqueries. We designed in a way called subqueries. Okay. Just check. Select max salary from the EMP where here it is checking subquery select where salary less than select max salary from EMP where salary. Now where here first it executes this one, later this section, later the finally this section. So okay, this is the way. Done. So next, write a query to display the total salary of employees based on the city. So now we'll use the group by class. I'll show you how to. So what is a query? Let's write a query to display the total salary. Total salary. Select here. This total salary of employees based on the city. Select sum of sum of sal salaries, comma, what is a city, comma, selects from EMP1, EMP1, what is employees based on the city, based on the city, EMP1, group by city. Let's see, select spelling mistake. Okay, Here we have Hyderabad 90,000, Bangalore 1,35,000, Visakhapatnam 90,000. Okay, done. Write a query to display the number of employees based on the city. The same question, but it should be based on the city. Count, count salary, city from employee 231. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Visakhapatnam. If you want, here you have a mentioned as and all those things. It's it's done. Take query to display the total salary of employees based on the region. It's the same question, so it's done. Here we don't have any region, or else I take total salary and number of employees working in the region. It's the same question only, but here we have a city and regions. Each region. Take query to display the minimum salary and maximum salary based on department. Based on department. Okay. Select max. Select max salary as max, comma min salary as min, comma, and what is the third one? Based on department name, we'll mention department name also. DAPT underscore name, department name from EMP1, group by department name. Okay. What is the intake? The max salary is 50,000, minimum salary is 45. In admin, for max salary is 40, minimum salary is this one. So in sales, we have max this one and minimum this one. This is the way. Okay. It's done. It's done. Write a query to display the total salaries of all employees. Total salary of all employees based on department. Total salary. Now question will write, always used to write the scratch, because so don't copy paste. Salary, select some salary. Another one is DEPT. So before going to that, okay, fine. I want select star from EMP1, because I want to know. Okay. Now the question is select sum of salary, comma DEPT department name, group by department name, group by DEPT, group by department underscore name. Unknown column salary in the field list. Sorry, should be the capital. Column in the field list is here.
Something happened. Some salary. Unknown column. Column. What happened, Ray? Again, sum of salary, comma, department name. Okay, sorry, we did mistake. From EMP1. Why, what is this? Okay, these are the details. Tech is 95, admin is we already did one. Okay, admin is this one. We already did this. Write a query, display the number of mails in each department. Number of mails in each department. Okay, each department. This is the like tricky question. Here we consider department, gender, number of mails count also. So we'll take select uh, count of count of gender. We'll take count of gender from EMP1 where where gender equal to what is the requirement males equal to male group by group by each department means where group by dept underscore name. This is the thing. Sorry, I did a mistake where somewhere group by department name. Okay, project K EMP1 does not exist. Okay, I did mistake here. Okay, fine. From EMP1. Okay, this is count of gender. We want another thing. It's department name. We want DEPT underscore name. Okay. Take we have one admin, we have two sales one. Now we cannot, this is the note before, we cannot apply where condition after group by. We will only apply where condition before group by only. That is the note I mentioned here. So having clause write a query to display total salaries of employees based on whose total salary is this one. Query to display total salary of employees based on whose total salary is 12,000, right? First understand the question. Write a query to display the total salary. Total salary. Select sum of salary. Okay. Select sum of salary. Total salary from of all the employees based from EMP1 based based on here based on something here is there. I removed that one based on tech, I think. Based on it, based on tech, food salary based on EMP1, EMP1. Let's see, based on whose total salary is greater than employees based on whose total salary is 12,000. How will write this question? Employees based on whose total salary is 12,000. EMP1 having some salary greater than or equal to will mention select some salary. Hmm, Having this is here. I think the question somewhere I missed it based on. So that is the reason here we have some confusion. Select some salary. Hmm, Group by department DEPT department underscore name and here we'll remove having, here we'll put having some salary. This is the question. Okay, we'll put some salary hyphen DPT underscore name. Okay, here we'll mention 70,000 here. We have only two vacancies. The same question, employees based on the city whose average salary is 23,000. So now we'll take here we'll take AVZ. Here we'll take group by city. City having, sorry, what is the question? Total salaries. Okay. Here select, here is the sum only as total underscore sal name from EMP1 group by city having, here is AVZ, here is AVZ, because write a query to display the total salaries of all the employees based on city whose average is 23,000. We'll put as 15. Let's see. Mm, Group by clause. We're having where it is some more salary. So now the question is write a query to display the first record from the table. So the answer is select, the query is select select star from EMP1. EMP1 here we have a limit 1. So this is the query done. Now three records. Now it's three records. Okay, this is like first 1 2 3 records. It's done. And one more, the last query, write a query to display the last record from the table. So limit before going to that ordered, order by DESC. Ordered by DESC limit 1. Ordered by if so. mm, what is the issue? Select start from EMP1 order by this limit 1. Right syntax ordered by which one? Ordered by which one? We'll put ordered by anything. EMPL underscore ID DSC and limit to 1. Okay, this is the way. So now we are done with all the questions. The important questions are here. Write a query to display the total, not this one. So write a query here. We have write a query to display the second max salary of an employee, and this one I explained in a two ways using the limit and the descending order and subqueries and having class and group by class. Please concentrate on these queries. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.